Hey guys, it's AJ here, and today I got a new product for my daily usage. This is a MI power bank. So it's a 20,000 mAh power bank, and I got it for a price of you can see here. Oh gosh, man. Okay, it's for 1,500. So yeah, this is how the box it comes. It's quite difficult to open this. Yeah, this is why we would get in the box. This is the power bank. I'll open it. So here we have a cable. So this is the length of cable. It's around 20 centimeter, I guess. Yeah, this is the quality of cable we get. USB to micro USB cable. The quality of the cable is not bad, it's pretty good. So yeah, inside this box we get a user manual. Yeah, this is the user manual. So I'll see it after some time. Yeah, this is what we get. So here is the list. So yeah, this is the product. It's 20,000 mAh. You can see here. So yeah guys, it's blinking. It's 50% of battery it has. So I think I have this product called Bluetooth speaker from Flipkart. So I'll try to charge this with this power bank. So yeah. It's charging, as you can see here. So you can charge everything with this power bank: your mobile, your Bluetooth earbuds, your Bluetooth speaker, and also your smartwatch. That also you can charge with this power bank. It's a beast 20,000 mAh power bank. So it's a good purchase for me. So yeah, that's it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.